there it is, the BOSCH T-style jigsaw blade. 20 teeth per inch. Look at that. Look at how nice that is. So I am new to woodworking. I've got a jigsaw I've had forever, and I'm using it. I'm getting really bad cuts. Main problem, I had it on the, the oscillating instead of the straight cut, the regular cut, so the saw was bouncing all over. I wasn't clamping anything down, and I was using a blade that just had too many teeth. I mean, not enough teeth, so it was a really rough cut. And I found these online, the 3-piece, a 3 in a package, even though some of these things say 5 in a package, it's 3 in a package. It fits the T-Shank. It's got 20 teeth per inch. It's for wood, so it's a clean cut for wood, for scrolling around, and it's made for your jigsaw. So we can see it right over there. There's the T. See the little T up there. So I got a couple packages of these, and I used it today, and it came out really good. The cut was much smoother, much cleaner. I'm used to using a Japanese pull saw, which has like a lot of teeth per inch. So I'm used to a clean cut. The problem is I'm not getting straight cuts because I don't know what I'm doing. And I thought, let's go buy these blades. Now you can buy your standard blade like 10 teeth per inch. 20, I'm happy with it. It's a nice clean cut, made by BOSCH. There's the package. You're not going to learn anything from it. Just be careful when you use these saws. And affiliate link in the video description, like everybody else that posts videos on here. Yeah, thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, whatever you want to do. You don't want to do any of that, that's fine. Donations, affiliate links in the video description. It's just a good blade. And jigsaw, the nice thing about a jigsaw, if you keep it downward, you're not going to have any kick. It's probably one of the safest saws out there compared to a table saw or a miter saw. It's just an easy saw for people like me that don't know what they're doing. And you want a clean cut, 20 teeth per inch, that's the way to go. Get the BOSCH. BOSCH has got a really good reputation. Milwaukee makes them, all the companies make them. But, hey, really good price. I didn't have to go in the store. And it's not that much cheaper or more expensive if you go in the store. I didn't have to hassle the traffic or driving. I just clicked on it, got my blades in a couple days, and I'm happy. Thanks for watching. 3-piece T-Shank BOSCH.